Top 10 ways to speed up your computer's boot time. From Wisdom Matters. Learning is a continuous process. Remove bloatware installed by vendors. If you have all those branded laptops or PCs with pre-installed Windows, go through installed programs. You may find dozens of ways never to be used softwares. Uninstall carefully. Some graphic, sound, and printer programs might be there. If you are not sure, Google for the same. Upgrade your RAM. To check your memory status, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete to go to Task Manager. Click Performance and see System Memory Status. Unnecessary fonts. Windows loads fonts at startup and slows down the boot time. It is less of a problem, and it can still slow you down a bit. Windows 7 loads over 250 fonts at startup Microsoft Office installed. More fonts, more boot time. Try not to install unnecessary fonts. Remove startup programs. Remove unnecessary startup programs, which will surely the biggest slowdown for PC startup time. Run msconfig for Windows 8, Ctrl-Alt-Delete, and uncheck all those you don't need at startup. BIOS boot setup. Change in PC BIOS setting for the first boot as hard drive rather than CD-ROM. It takes a lot of time reading the drive, which will cause in-system startup delay, especially if it has any driver CD in it. In case you need to install Windows or boot from CD, you need to change or press F12 or other key to one-time boot. Change boot menu timeout. In case you have multiple OS windows, make sure the timeout value kept in minimum. This setting to be done in System BIOS, and you access it by pressing Del or F2 key depending upon manufacturer. Defragment your hard disk. Fragmentation makes your hard disk do extra work that can slow down your computer. Disk defragmenter rearrange fragmented data so your hard disk can work more efficiently. Disk defragmenter runs on a schedule, but you can also defragment your hard disk manually. Static IP address. Dynamic IP address will take more time to start up and connect to internet most of the time. Give a static IP address to your PC in case you are not moving to different networks. NAT are all suggested to laptops and mobiles. Every network has different IP structure, and you will end up having limited network connectivity. Check for viruses and spyware. Spyware is a type of program that's installed, usually without your knowledge, to watch your activity on the internet. You can check for spyware with Windows Defender or other anti-spyware programs. Many types of spyware will cost lots of time to boot, especially after logon. Best for the last, add a solid-state drive. If you can spare dollars, it would be highly suggested to use a SSD and install the OS in this drive. It is lightning fast boot for sure. Even opening programs will be a flash. Thank you.